My name is Nancy Gohring. I'm a senior analyst at 451 Research. I'm seeing some interesting additional upsides or benefits for businesses that are adopting the platform approach in monitoring. So typically, organizations choose platforms because of ITOps drivers, right? So they may be consuming or collecting a much larger volume of IT operations data because of an increased complexity in their application environments, and hiring or using a platform monitoring tool can address the tool sprawl issue that sometimes happens when organizations are sort of drowning in IT operations data. And so there's some really great benefits that IT operations teams are realizing from choosing platform monitoring tools. But once they begin to realize those initial benefits, they may also begin to recognize some additional use cases. So usually the platform tools embrace machine learning or other advanced analytics approaches in order to analyze this really large volume of IT operations data that they're collecting. And that opens the door to some really interesting possibilities. So for instance, an organization can begin to pull in revenue information and correlate that with performance. So executives can begin to understand when application performance is actually impacting the bottom line. And that type of correlation can actually also be really interesting to ITOps users and help them really elevate their value within the organization. So if an ITOps team is able to correlate performance issues with revenue, they can use that insight to prioritize incident response, right? They can also pull in additional information. So I've seen some organizations pull in customer or really customer tier information and correlate that with performance so that an ITOps team can discover which performance issues are impacting the most number of high value customers and prioritize responding to those incidents. So again, I'm seeing ITOps, sort of your basic ITOps use cases are driving the initial adoption of platform monitoring tools, but over time, I'm seeing organizations realize some additional use cases and some additional benefits.